Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to create a conditional formatting rule on email for Outlook using a Mac computer in the year 2026, web-based. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer and account for Microsoft Office 365. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go down to the dock, go to Launchpad, then go to the alternative web browser, which is Google Chrome. Click on this, wait for that to load. Once it is loaded, now let's go directly to Outlook and then make sure that you are signed into the account. We want to now go to the top right corner, settings, click on the cogwheel, go to email and then click on conditional formatting, which will allow us to personalize colors of your incoming message or messages. Let's go and add rule. Name of the rule will be, let's just say, red text. Select a condition. Let's just say this will be sent from ComputerScienceVideos@gmail.com. Formatting. Select a modification. The font color will be, let's just choose a color. Dark red, click on save. Let's now click on X. Let's now open up a new tab, go to Gmail, compose a brand new email, and send this to the admin. Subject will be test email. Let's now go into the email and compile the email, which will say, "Dear admin, this is a test email. Kind regards." Let's now click on send and go to Outlook. We should now have received an email from ComputerScienceVideosBusiness@gmail.com that has been pinned to the top prior to the previous tutorial, and now the text itself is in dark red as we have conditionally formatted an email with personalized colors to the inbox. So we can now quit Google Chrome. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys on my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.